If you're watching this video, you already watched the video on the directions, and now it's time to look at some model essay work and get a good idea of what it is that you need to do specifically. So in Google Classroom, you'll find you have a personal symbolism essay post. Now remember, your post will look slightly different than mine because mine's the teacher version, but when you click on it, you'll have all of these documents. Here we have the poem and the directions, a sample essay, a rubric, and a word bank. Under the heading Your Work, you should have a blank document, and that's where you need to type your essay. So let's start by looking at the sample essay. You're going to notice that it's color-coded, just as I color-coded it in the direction. So you've got your blue topic sentences, your red symbols and explanations, and then you have your orange how or whys. You have a green conclusion, and then I also have a nice little transition sentence here. So let's start by reading the first paragraph. The first paragraph should be about the present side of my drawing. On the left-hand side of my drawing, I have used a variety of objects to represent some of my present characteristics. That's a topic sentence because it tells the reader what he or she will learn in this paragraph, and he or she will learn about the objects that represent my characteristics. I dress my symbolism figure in activewear. I use the clothing to symbolize the belief I have that an active lifestyle is important for physical and mental health. In fact, I use running frequently to relieve stress. So you're going to notice here I used a number of sentences. You might do the job in one sentence. You might need more than one sentence. I have to mention the symbol, which was the activewear, and then I have to have an explanation of the characteristic that it represents. So each red really has two pieces. Additionally, you'll find an image of a heart showing on my shirt to symbolize that I have compassion and empathy for others. I don't like to see others suffer, and I enjoy helping others. I cry easily and laugh easily as well. Furthermore, my figure is holding a clipboard, and it represents that I value organization, hard work, and people who have a good work ethic. In my hand, you'll find To Kill a Mockingbird. The novel represents my sense that we all have a responsibility to protect the innocent, an important theme of the book. At the bottom of the drawing, I am wearing tennis shoes, and they represent the fact that I am often rushing around in a hurry. The tennis shoes are also untied, which symbolizes my general klutziness and forgetfulness. While I presently have these characteristics, I know that as time passes, I will grow and change as a person. A few things I want you to notice. I did work in some transitions as I moved from maybe one object to another. I have some prepositional phrases saying where the objects are. I have the word furthermore. And if you go into the stream, you're going to see I actually have a word bank here. And the word bank gives you a few ideas for some transitions that will work nicely. In addition, we're constantly saying one object symbolizes a characteristic. So instead of saying symbolizes 6 times in your paragraph, here are some other phrases you might use: to represent, to symbolize, to show, to signify.